Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know your transmission oil pump is failing and you should have it fixed before the transmission fails completely? The transmission oil pump is usually located around the bell housing and it is located right in the front. The transmission oil pump is driven by the torque converter. The purpose of the transmission pump is to pump transmission fluid throughout the transmission. When fluid is not being pumped throughout the transmission, this can definitely cause a lot of issues. So here I have taken apart the transmission oil pump. And when these gears starts to become worn, the first thing that driver is going to notice is going to be overheating. You're going to notice the transmission warning light turning on. The next sign that you know that the transmission oil pump is failing is going to be, you're going to get some sort of noise. So when these gears starts to become worn, you're going to notice whining noise or whirring noise. You may also hear some other odd noises as well. The transmission oil pump is basically the heart of the transmission. And again, it pumps transmission fluid throughout the transmission. So when a transmission oil pump is pumping fluid, it pumps fluid to the torque converter where it's going to get filled up with transmission fluid. It pumps transmission fluid to the transmission cooler, which acts as a heat exchanger and it helps to cool down the transmission fluid. It pumps transmission fluid to the valve body where it's going to operate the clutch and band. And it's going to pump transmission fluid to all the gears such as the planetary gears and so on. So when the transmission oil pump gears are worn down, it's not going to pump enough transmission fluid throughout the transmission. And this, you're going to notice all sorts of shift issues. So again, if the transmission oil pump is failing, a lot of components such as the shift solenoid is not going to work properly, and the valve body also not going to work properly. And again, this is going to cause all sorts of shift issues, such as hesitation while accelerating, delay shifting, the transmission slipping. You're going to notice no response when stepping on the gas pedal, and so on. If you suspect that the transmission oil pump is failing, this is going to cause increased friction inside the transmission, and a lot of components is going to prematurely fail. This is going to cause a lot of wear on a lot of the gears, and you're going to see metal shaving, or you're going to see these clutch friction materials wearing out rapidly. And you're also going to notice burning smell as well. So again, if you think your oil pump is failing, take out the dipstick, smell it. If it smells burnt, there's a good chance this oil pump is causing the issue. And lastly, when a transmission oil pump is failing, you're going to get all sorts of transmission codes. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.